Hi friends, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share DIY Turmeric Saffron Beauty Soap. For that, we need soap base. I'm using this soap base. I bought it from Walmart website. And we need essential oils. Vitamin E capsules. Soap molds. Rose water is optional. I'm using cereal bar size soap base and chopping it into pieces. Transfer it to steel bowl. Now we have to make flavor. For that I am using 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon rose water, 1 tablespoon milk, few strands of saffron, four to 5 drops of honey, mix it well. Now add half teaspoon of rice flour. Mix it properly without any lumps. Add 2 vitamin E capsules. Soap flavor is ready. Now let's begin the process. Take a wide steel pan, pour some water and keep it on medium flame. Now place the soap base container in the pan and let it boil. After 2 minutes, soap base began to melt. After 10 minutes, this is the consistency. This is perfect for adding flavor. Just add the flavor and mix it. It takes few minutes. Now I am going to add tea tree oil. I am adding tea tree oil because it's good for skin problems. Add 5 to 6 drops of tea tree oil and let it boil for 2 more minutes. Meanwhile, grease the soap mold. You can either use petroleum jelly or oil. I am using vegetable oil. Now pour the soap base into this mold. Let it rest for 1 hour. Need not refrigerate it, just keep it aside for 1 hour. Don't touch it. After 1 hour, I'm touching it. It's all done. It's time to demold. There you go. This soap is all ready. You can find no traces on the mold. Now let's check its lather. It's actually giving good lather and it's not melting. So here is your DIY turmeric saffron soap. If you like it, please pour in your comments and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.